Good morning. Today we are looking at Marathon Pattern Group, or MARA. It is about three times the average volume, just about 15 minutes into the opening bell. It's trying to find a resistance so far, looking like little over 415 seems to be a little bit of a resistance. Our 50 EMA buy-in target is right at $3 and under. It is up around 82%. And we're getting a nice red candle here. But yeah, so all morning I was just trying to find its real resistance and seems to have found it at 415. Let's see if we can't buy into this today and play correctly. But yes, I'll update you in a few minutes. Okay, just a bit of an update here. It's kind of consolidating around the 380, 390 spot. So yeah, it's doing that. The 50 EMA is still curling up right now. It is about 340 and under. Level 2 shows quite a bit of resistance from 390 and up. So we'll see if the bulls can't push it there. A lot of people think this is a triple bottom, double bottom right here at 370s. And you could be right, but I'm not the one to push it over to 4. So we're going to see where she wants to go and react to that. I would prefer it to start dropping from here, and then we could aim for the sub 3s. But if she pushes above 4, which she's kind of doing right now, then that's also a good sign as well. So either way, we're still watching this one, and we will update you in another few minutes. Okay, well, that didn't take very long. It did cross over the $4 resistance, and it is pushing new highs right now. And good sign for the bulls. Keep that uptrend going. We're going to follow along, and whenever they decide to take profit, we should be able to buy in there. But so far, it went as high as 420, and we'll probably keep going higher here. We'll see how much momentum she can build up. 50 EMA is at looks like 350. And yeah, a little bit of a profit taking right there. Yeah, we'll see where she wants to go now. Okay, it looks like that consolidation was actually confirmed here as it pushes into a newer high. It's looking like 434. Currently, look at these two big volume bars right here. 50 EMA is curling up as well. It's at 375 and under, right where the original consolidation floor was. 100 EMA is right at the open at 330. But yeah, I mean, it's a good sign for the bulls that it popped up. But it also is the bid and ask is fairly close to the 50 EMA, so we'll see if she needs to start a new range, which she's currently doing, before we feel more confident with that 50 EMA dip. But volume is coming in now, and volume is good. It provides volatility for us. And yeah, I'll update you in a minute. Okay, so it's got a new range. Right now it's pushing 450. It's not taking too bad of a breather here, but our 50 EMA is getting real close to the live bid ask. It's around 410 and under. We might just have to aim for the 100 EMA here, because it's just, I don't like it being so close to the 50 EMA. That's just about a 50-cent spread, which would be good. But we know where the floor wants to be, which is under $4. So let's see if we can't get under $4 at the very least. But it's good that this thing has a lot of volume. The market closes early today, so let's see. If we can't get a good dip, then we might just have to watch this one. But preferably, we'd like to get under the 100, or at least, the very least, under $4 on this one. Okay, we took a bit of a dip under the 50 EMA here. We were able to buy in at 408. And let's see if we can't go over, looks like 415, right at our 50 EMA, and then we'll be able to set a stop loss. But yeah, let's see if we can't get there. If not, it most likely will drop below the 100 EMA, and we'll need to double down. But I do have some confidence in this play because it's the volume leader so far. All right, we were able to get a jump up ahead here. It gapped a little bit to 419, 418, but it is above our 50. So we're going to set a stop loss at 410, and we'll see if we can't catch this runner. First sell target is right in the 430 range, but see if she can't climb back up with some momentum here. If not, the 100 will probably be the best bet. Okay, yeah, just a minor update here. We are setting our stop loss at the 50 EMA, which is 415. As you can see right now, it's trying to crack into the 430s again. We have a good amount of bid support on level 2. But yeah, we'll see how high she climbs, and we'll trail our stop loss accordingly. If she can pass over 430, we'll raise our stop loss to 420, something like that. But for now, we're just going to stay at the 50 EMA at the 415. All right, so it did take a little breather here. We were actually able to up our stop loss to 420, as I saw it was going up to the 420s, or the high 420s. So I set the trail at 420. And we did get stopped out for half of our shares. The rest of the half is still right above our average with stop loss at 409. And if it gets there, then if it gets below 410, then we're going to aim for the 100 here. We are running out of time since the market closes a little early. But let's see if we can't get stopped out of our 408 average. Once again, we are at 409 stop loss. Half of our shares are gone at 420. And although the volume is tapering off, it's doing what it's supposed to do. And it's deciding where it wants to go right now. All right, look at that, man. That minor dip to the 50. And we came right back up. And right now it's pushing over 430. A good sign for us. And we're just going to keep this. You got to keep your winners running. We'll put another trailing stop loss for half of our shares. Let's see here, under 430. I just want to lock in some profit here. So yeah, let's see how high she climbs. But for the most part, our 408 average is looking pretty solid here. Okay. This thing is actually looking pretty good. It's about to push 440. We're going to let this one run, guys. We have our stop loss at 409 for about 25% of the shares that we bought in. And we're going to set one more stop loss at 430 since it did push over 440. And we're going to let the rest run here. So thanks for joining in, and we'll catch you on the next runner. Today was a good trade.